Are you looking for a good room humidifier to make the air at home more comfortable? Hi, this is David of Take for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. Are you also noticing your air at home is dry like we are after sheltering at home these past few months? After using a humidifier to maintain our home's humidity at a comfortable level between 40 and 50%, our skin and nose feel much better. It also helped prevent our wooden instruments like piano, guitars, ukuleles from shrinking and cracking due to low humidity. In today's video, I'll give a quick overview of the HoMEDiCS Total Comfort Humidifier we've been using for some time and share why we like it. First of all, there are two separate water tanks, one on each side. It's simple to use. The water tanks can be easily removed, filled, and installed. Once plugged in, just press the power button to turn it on. This HoMEDiCS is an ultrasonic humidifier, meaning it uses a metallic diaphragm vibrating at high frequencies to create and add water droplets to the air. I've just made a video on how to clean this diaphragm, which I'll link here and below if you're interested. Compared to the other type of humidifiers, such as evaporative or warm mist humidifiers, this ultrasonic technology uses very little energy and has very little operating noise. They're great to use overnight and in areas where you don't want too much noise. They also run cool, so there's no risk of burning with kids. There are 5 mist levels to pick from with these plus and minus buttons. The humidifier is very quiet in all 5 levels. In addition to blowing out a cool mist, we like how this model can also warm up the mist for winter times with this mist temperature button. It does take about 20 minutes to heat up before the mist becomes warm. It has a digital screen with a programmable humidistat. It can customize to maintain the humidity between 35% to 60% in 5% increments. Once the set humidity level is reached, the humidifier will stop. There's also a CO, continuously on setting, if we want to keep it running regardless of the humidity level. There's also a built-in timer up to 12 hours. This timer button cycles through in 2-hour intervals. There's also a cool blue backlight which can be turned on as a night light with this moon button. If we want the room dark, this night light and the digital screen display light can both be turned off. Press this moon button once will turn on the backlight. Press it the second time to turn off the digital screen display and leave the backlight on. Press it again to turn both the digital screen display light and the backlight off so the humidifier is completely dark at night. Last but not least, this humidifier has a good 2-gallon or 7.57 liters of water capacity split into 2 1-gallon tanks. I like how I can refill one tank while the other tank keeps the humidifier going. A 1-gallon tank is also lighter and easier to refill than a 2-gallon one. This unit does auto shut off when both tanks are out of water, which is safe. There's a tray in the back to use this as an essential oil diffuser, which we've tried a few times but haven't used much. HoMEDiCS even include a couple of oil samples to get you started. I do wish the water tank fill hole is bigger so it's easier to clean the inside if needed. I mentioned this in my previous video about how to clean the humidifier. Also, it'd be better if the sprout is adjustable so I can direct the mist without having to turn the entire unit. Overall, I like this humidifier. It has more features than the others I've used before. I think it's reasonably priced at $79 US. I'll put a link below if you're interested. It doesn't have a filter to clean and replace. It runs quietly and has enough water capacity for our use. We usually set the humidity at 45 or 50%, and the mist is powerful enough to achieve it for a good sized room. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and share. If you also have a good humidifier, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm looking for another one so I don't need to keep on moving this one between rooms. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.